Hello and welcome to Easy License. My name's Rohan, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reschedule and propose a new booking to your Easy License learners. To log into your instructor account, please go to our Easy License website and select Instructor Login, which you'll find in the top right hand side of the page. Once you've logged into your account, you will arrive at your dashboard. There are two locations in your account where you will find upcoming bookings that you can reschedule. The first location you may find an upcoming booking is in your dashboard, and it will be the first thing that pops up on the screen. If this is the correct booking you want to reschedule, simply click the View Manage button in the right hand side of the box. The second location you'll find upcoming bookings is in your calendar. To navigate to your calendar, please use the drop-down menu in the top right-hand side of your screen and select Calendar. In our calendar, we will be able to see all of our upcoming bookings. To reschedule a booking, we need to select the Easy License booking block that we'd like to change. For example, I'm going to select this lesson for Sally at 9:30. Once selected, it will bring up the booking details for that booking. To reschedule the booking, we need to use the Modify Booking button, which is in the top right hand side of your screen, and select Reschedule Booking. From here, we can see it will then cancel the original booking and allow us to propose a new time to our learner. The learner information will automatically be generated. So all we need to do is select a new day. I want to go for Saturday, and a new time, and I'm going to go for 8 o'clock. From here, we can then select the Propose Booking button in the bottom left of your screen, or the Propose Booking button in the top right hand side of your screen. If at any time you don't want to proceed with rescheduling this booking, please just select the Discard Changes button, which you'll find in the top right hand side of your screen. Please note that as soon as you press the Propose Booking button, it will cancel the original lesson. Once the process has been finished, in our calendar we will see the new proposed lesson time in a light grey box. Here we can see the lesson is for 8 till 10. We can also see that the original lesson time at 9:30 has been cancelled and removed from our calendar. Easy License lesson proposals will last 24 hours before they expire. A lesson proposal will send a notification to the learner via email or SMS, and once they accept and pay for the lesson, this light grey box will turn into a yellow confirmed Easy License lesson box. Pending lesson proposals will also show in your dashboard. If we scroll down, we can see the lesson that we have proposed on Saturday to our learner. Before you reschedule any bookings, Easy License recommends that you first reach out to your learner and confirm this is something that they are willing to do. We also recommend that you try to give your learner as much notice as possible before rescheduling. And lastly, please try to avoid rescheduling a lesson if it is the learner's first lesson with you, or rescheduling multiple lessons with the same learner, as this might affect their Easy License experience. To find out more about how to reschedule bookings and propose lessons, please visit our support section. You will find this in our drop down in the top right hand side of your screen, and you can click Support. In the support section, you can use the search bar to search up the article you're looking for, or you can submit a request to talk to our customer service team. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you at the next one.